Talking about amazing website builder software, then we should be looking at Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, and under WordPress we have something like WP Bakery, Elementor, and also we should be looking at Weebly and many more. These are well-known website builder for years, but in this situation there is a new killer for all these that make this our well-known software look almost useless. Keyword almost. With its amazing features and flexibility, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Pagemaker. I repeat, Pagemaker, guys. Pagemaker is a way to produce high quality landing page at a rapid pace, and it gives you the opportunity to quickly scale it up because you have the chance to measure your website and you able to scale it up from there. The teams are doing amazing work. They are doing tons of design. They are releasing tons of design pages based on sources. So this makes Pagemaker totally different from something like Webflow, Breezebee, WordPress, or any other page builder out there because it's a king on its own. It focuses on landing page, converting landing page, guys. So in this video, as you know, I do go in deep in all software that I touch. Now in this first section of this video, this is going to be the number one of many. Now let me introduce the front page of the website to you and create my own personal account while I show you how to also use the premium account. So we are going to be working with the free account on this platform, and they have a little money requirement, which is the premium part of the website, which we are still going to enjoy. Also, taking a look at the front page of the website, you notice that there is something we call launch high converting landing pages in minutes. Yeah, I did it myself, and I spent, based on my experience though, I spent nothing less than 10 minutes. Their modules, their templates, everything is top notch, and it's mobile optimized. They design it to be mobile first, and this is what amazed me mostly about these two. Now these are their templates that you can easily preview when you hover your mouse on it, or probably when you click the button here, it's going to open a new tab for you to see the full preview of the web page. And as I said earlier, it's well optimized, which means its speed is amazing. Also, their speed based on the server they use, it's top notch, and you can also take advantage of that. Next thing I would love to talk on is you can go through all the words and everything they mention on their page to make sure you are in the right spot. You can also join their YouTube channel and their Facebook group. This Facebook group is one of the places that I've enjoyed staying mostly and help people out with their problem. If you notice there, I'm even one of the page group, the group experts, because I've learned how to use it within months from this YouTube channel. And so now let's dive into the about section, the pricing section, and the template section. There are some other resources such as the learning portal, which is going to take you straight to their YouTube channel, and also the module and the layout is still a page that they are still cooking, and you can get to see that on the long run. So now let's talk about the about section. The about section is a page that is going to explain to you what Pagemaker does in detail. It makes landing page easy to build, very fast to build, and also they talk about the team. They are working from India to Canada, which is Kashal Jaga and Seth. They team up on this to make this amazing software for every one of us. So these are the teams, and all they are perfectly working fine, and they've tested over 100 million ad spend to confirm that the pages, the modules that they are giving us are amazing. Landing page dude is Seth company, whilst 7span is also managed by Kashal. So the two companies work together on Pagemaker. I think that's that about the about section. You can read it yourself. The pricing here is amazing pricing. You can start free and you have access to 5 campaigns. The team is working tirelessly to make sure everything works perfect for every one of us, to the extent of which they provide a feedback section, which we are still going to talk about at the end of the video. This feedback is going to give you the ability to report or come up with a suggestion of things that you know that is going to help your design and their growth. So first thing there, if you notice very well that they have a free section, you can add a custom domain, which is one. You can have access to unlimited traffic and many more features. But the pro section is just $25 per month. You have access to host 15 campaigns, 5 custom domains, unlimited traffic, and unlimited templates. They don't limit your traffic, they don't limit your template. Immediately you overuse the traffic section, they will message you that, okay, I think you should step down a little bit, in case that is if you use way too much on that. And the custom domain means you can add probably like my name is Jide Jeremiah, so subdomain, which is what they are working on now. It's not in subfolder yet, it's not your website.com / probably Facebook. If I'm advertising something for Facebook, probably it's not like that. You see this is subfolder, this is a folder called pricing, but for this example it's going to be your website www.yourwebsite.your I don't know, maybe you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is going to be a subdomain .your domain.com. So this is what it's called. So you can add 5 of these, and you can also add 15 campaigns, which means you can have 15 designs on your page if you are using these pro features. The agency part is a very massive part of it. So you can have 75 of these and add 25 custom domains, unlimited traffic, guys. So this is amazing, and many people drop their review here based on well tested. These are well tested. People test it and they come back with a nice feedback about it. A lot of people in the group are also saying good things about this amazing software. So now these are tons of things that you are going to have access to. Nevertheless, we don't have much time. These are tons of FAQs, frequently asked questions by people. They come up with the answers here. Now let's talk about templates. These templates are a responsive landing page, strictly focused on mobile responsiveness. You are going to see the new arrival, the feature templates, the style, the category of each of these templates here. I select the new arrival template. Now it shows me how they just arrive. So the latest theme is there. You can see tons of templates that you can use here. You can sort them by category here, how they arrive, the featured template, which is the templates that they featured by themselves, and different things like that. You can see how perfect those designs are before you even get into the page builder or their builder, many things like that. So these are amazing templates. You can check out yourself. You can test their speed and all. So for this example, let me take something like this Fruitly and test its speed to confirm for you guys. So I copied the link. Let's go to GTmetrix to confirm the speed, to see what I'm saying, to confirm what I'm saying. And please note, I'm doing this live, and also for the record, I'm going to put a link in the description for you guys to get access to the complete module once it's done. Probably you are watching this video early or not, you are going to have access to it, the playlist, so you can continue watching other videos I'm going to release on these Pagemaker tutorials on how to perfectly use it and make good use of it. So now I copy the link, I paste it in GTmetrix. Now I have to test, and also I'll put a link in the description on how you can get access to a Pagemaker account. With that aside, the result is here. So guys, as you can see, the GTmetrix grade is A, which means it's top notch. With all the designs on this page, with everything, the page load completely under 4 seconds. The front page, the front page of a complete landing page, a well-designed landing page, load completely within 4 seconds. Within 4 seconds, guys. As you can see, it has tons of pictures, well-designed animation, different things. This is just amazing, guys. Or what did you think? Drop your suggestion of what you think, how amazing this tool is, in the description below. And also, guys, now let's move on to creating an account. In the following video, I'm going to create my account, verify my account, and start working with the software. I hope you enjoyed this video. We recommend you do all what a YouTube owner will advise you to do, which is to subscribe to my channel. I'm not different from other people, so please, if you enjoyed the video, do well to subscribe to my channel in order to start enjoying amazing video I'll start dropping on this software and many more softwares I'm bringing for you to come in nearest future.